Look at the erosion here near the archway.
We need to secure this section before the main team arrives.
Look at the water damage here.
Yes, we need to address this corner first, before the monsoon.
Bring the scaffolding over here.
Look at the cracks here.
We need to stabilize this section first.
Yes, and clear the vines from the roof.
Look at the erosion on this cornice. It's worse than the blueprint suggested.
Yes, we'll need specialized mortar for this repair.
Watch the ropes on the left side.
Okay, I've got it secured now.
We cleared the main entrance. Watch the alignment on the cornice here.
Yeah, I see it. We'll fix that now.
We need to ensure the alignment is precise here.
Yes, I'm checking the leveling now.
Hand me the smaller chisel, please.
Here you are. Be careful with that edge. The mortar mix is ready over here.
Okay, I'll start on the lower section now.
Bring the tiles up to the 3rd level.
Watch out below, moving this beam now.
This section is clean, the details are amazing.
Hurry up with that glass.
Almost there, just securing the last pane.
Keep sanding, we're running out of time.
We should start on the ceiling here tomorrow.
Right, but let's secure the tapestry first.
Good morning. Welcome to the palace. We trust you slept well.
A little more to the center.
Perfect, hold it right there. We need that table now.
Hurry, this section needs more polish.
We need to move the chaise lounge to the east wall now.
Almost done with the gold trim here.
Make sure the reflection is perfect by 5.
Yes, almost done with this section.
This place is absolutely stunning.
It really is. I'm glad we decided to stay here.
Good evening, welcome to the palace. We trust you had a pleasant journey.
Yes, thank you. It looks magnificent.
Welcome to the Royal Palace Hotel. Here is your key card for the Imperial Suite.
Thank you. The restoration is absolutely stunning.
Welcome to the Royal Estate. Allow me to take your luggage.
Thank you kindly. Good evening, we are delighted to have you.
Welcome to the Royal Palace Hotel. We are delighted to have you.
Thank you, it's stunning. We have a reservation for tonight.
We need 2 more plates for table 5. Hurry up.
Yes, chef, right away.
The scallops need to be plated now. Table 7 is ready.
Yes, chef. Make sure the garnish is precise. Perfect. The chandeliers are magnificent. The reflections on the floor are incredible.
Are the lights synchronized on all floors now?
Yes, the system test is almost complete. The ambience is perfect.
Ensure all surfaces are spotless and the orchids are perfectly centered. We open in 10 minutes.
This place is absolutely breathtaking at night.
I know, it feels like we have it all to ourselves.
They did a remarkable job restoring the palace. It feels so peaceful here.
And the pool reflections are simple.
This place is absolutely breathtaking at night. I know, it feels like we have the whole palace to ourselves.
Everything seems to be in order. We are ready. Everything seems to be in order. We are ready. Everything seems to be in order. We are ready.
Welcome to the Royal Palace Hotel. Here is your room key and a map of the grounds.
Thank you. The restoration work is simply magnificent.
Welcome back. Your suite on the 5th floor is ready.
Thank you. The lobby looks absolutely stunning.
Right this way, please.
Good evening, welcome.
We are so glad you could make it. Welcome, Madam Colonel. Right this way, please.
Thank you. The entrance is beautiful.
Welcome to the celebration. It's wonderful to see you both.
Thank you. The palace looks absolutely incredible tonight. Shall we head inside for a drink? Welcome to the palace. We hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you. The entrance is stunning.